Is your team still wasting time manually opening attachments to extract order IDs and important details? Tired of downloading and copying text into Zendesk ticket fields? Knots.io is here to change that. With the Convert PDFs, Scans, and Images to Text app, you can instantly extract text from scanned images or PDFs directly into Zendesk. Say goodbye to manual data entry, speed up ticket resolution, boost efficiency, and streamline your workflow with this powerful tool. In this video, we will guide you through the installation process for the Knots Converter app. Let's get started. First, go to the app in the Zendesk Marketplace using the link below. Once you're there, click on the Install button on the right side of the page. Then, choose the Zendesk instance where you want to install the app. You'll be redirected to your Zendesk admin space, so make sure you have admin rights to continue. You can rename the app or choose who has access to it based on roles or groups. When you're ready, click Install to complete the process. To access the app, go to your agent workspace by clicking the 4-square icon at the top right of the page. Then, choose Support. Look for the Convert PDFs, Scans, and Images to Text app icon on the left. If you have a lot of Zendesk apps installed, it might be hidden under the 3 dots in the bottom left corner. Back in the app, you will log in to your Knots.io account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. If you're already a Knots customer, simply log in. Now that you've logged in, the next step is to set up a trigger. Click on the New Trigger button and give your trigger a name. Then, choose the file extensions you want to transcribe. We support PDF, JPG, JPEG, PNG, or HEIC file types. You can even choose multiple file types. After that, add a tag for when the trigger starts and finishes. This is helpful for analytics and to easily recognize if the trigger ran. You also have the option to scan only the first page of the document, or all of its pages. If you need to process in languages other than English, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, French, and German, toggle the Extended Language Support button to the right. Finally, choose the Destination Custom field. In this example, we'll add the parsed text as an internal comment so the customers do not get an email that their ticket was updated, and the parsed text is only viewed by internal users. Save your configuration. By default, the trigger is inactive when you create it, so do not forget to toggle the active option to turn it on. You can also adjust trigger conditions from the Admin Center. Because the apps are built on native Zendesk, not only does it have a user-friendly interface, but it also gives you the flexibility to customize how the trigger runs. By adjusting the Zendesk trigger conditions, you can fine-tune the app to work exactly how you need, making your support process even more efficient and tailored to your workflow. Most customers also integrate this app with the AI Ticket Autofill app or Ticket Parser app. These tools help reduce manual data entry, minimize errors, and speed up ticket processing times. And that's it. You're now set up with the Convert PDFs, Scans, and Images to Text app. For more information, feel free to visit the Knots.io website or reach out to us at support@knots.io.